Hello guys, so this is the fourth project of our web programming sessions, and today our topic is product management application. So I have a scenario with me and I have 4 pages mainly: sign in PHP, index PHP, product PHP and register PHP. And the scenario is like this. For the product PHP or the register PHP and index PHP, all have to have an admin signed in to go through there. It's like this. If a public user wants to access the index PHP or the product PHP or the register PHP, that person can't access those pages and will be redirected to the sign-in PHP. And I have used sessions for this requirement. So let's check how it works. I'll give index PHP here, and I'm still a public web user. And yes, I will be redirected to the sign-in PHP. So if a person is not signed in as an admin, that person can't go through other pages of the admin portal. Only the admin can access the product management application, which can see the database details, alter the records and delete records. So those are only admin privileges, and I have filtered the public web users and admins with this session concept. And let's check the design of my sign-in PHP. All of the pages from my application are responsive to every type of device. I have validated this 2 fields. And I have given a small JS function when the admin key up in the password field to show the pattern of the password required, like this. So I randomly type keys, and here you can see I was told to give at least 8 characters. And I was told to put the required pattern of password with an alert as well. And I have used this method to inform the admin just in case the admin doesn't see this line I have given when the admin keys the password field. So this is an extra step of validation. If I type the wrong password or wrong mobile number, I will be told to sign in again. Now I'm going to give the correct details and I will be signed in. Let's check the code. This is my style CS. I have used this to design my elements, and these are my media queries where I used to design the responsive state for small elements. I have used font face to get various type of font styles to my page. This is my sign-in PHP, and this is the small JS function I gave to get that line telling the admin about the requirement of password pattern when the admin keys in the password field. And this is the base of my sign-in PHP. Here you can see I have given the session here. I have used AJAX function to connect with the server and database and to validate my form. This is my sign-in process PHP. And here you can see I have given a pattern to the password And these are my validations. And I have searched the database to see where a matching record is found. And I got the record to an associative array. I fetched the ID from that row to the session ID to uniquely identify the admin who signed in. I have used the session ID to get this admin name here. In my previous videos, I explained how this works with different type of admins. And this is a simple design of my admin portal, which is not finished yet. So let's go to the product management department. And for the code of index PHP, it's like this. I have given the session here and the admin name here like this. So this is my product PHP, and I have a table showing the details or the records from the database here. I have used AJAX in both functions in these two divs. A div is a box in layman's word, so I will use box from now on to explain the div. So in this box, this table contains a function like this. This search bar can search a data to a corresponding letter I give in the search bar like this. Here you can see I have informed the admin to how to search this. This search bar works for the brand or the product name, and all the records from the database are shown here. Currently I have 5 data rows, so only 5 rows of the table are shown here. And if this table records exceed the box height I have given, the overflow Y will activate a scroll option to it. Let's move on to the second box. In here, I can use the product ID to get the details to these fields. This ID and product field are not editable. I have given a read-only function to these input tags, and only these two are editable. So let's check the code. This is my product PHP. And here you can see I have given the search bar here. I have given an onKey function to call the search option. This is my AJAX code for that onKey function. And let's go to the search PHP to see how it works. This is my search PHP, and here you can see I have got the value from the search bar and connected it with my join query of database like this. I have relative database here, which consists of product T table and brand table. I have connected the product T table brand ID foreign key with brand table brand ID as they are equal together, and search the value like this from the brand or the name of the product. and all the details from the search result is fetched to a associative array where I have given the data like this to the table. Let's move on to the second box, and it is update record. Here I have another search bar which have the onKey function as search, and here you can see I have given the input tag for ID and product to have read only, and this is the search function, and I have used AJAX in this as well. Let's go to the search 1 PHP to check how it works. Same as the search PHP, I have got the value, and here I check it with the ID from the product T table, fetch the results to an associative array, and distributed the values to the respective input tags in this. Here I have two functions ongoing in the update record box, which is update and delete. Let's check the code first. For the update, I have this AJAX function ongoing, which is connected to the update PHP, and in the update PHP, I have the update query like this. And for the delete function, it is like this, and the data is sent to the delete PHP, and the delete PHP query is like this. Now let's check how this update and delete function work. I call the first record from the table, and I'll update this quantity to be 80, and let's update. Here you can see the first record of this is updated. I'll change the price here, and update. Here you can see the second row price record is changed. And now let's delete a record. I'll choose the record ID 5, and let's delete the record. Here you can see the fifth row of this record table is now deleted. And let's check the design now. This page is responsive as well to every device. Now let's check the registration PHP. Here I have given brand name, specification, price, quantity and platform fields to register a product. And I have validated brand, name, price and quantity fields in this with the help of AJAX as well. I haven't validated specifications and platform fields, as I have given the freedom to the admin to register the details for these two fields. I have used number field in the input tags to get price and quantity fields. I have hidden the spinner from the number like this. Let's save the data and register the product. And let's go and view the product table. Yes, here you can see the data I have added now. And now let's go and check the registration PHP code. This is my register PHP. I have called out the data from the database to this select tag for the brands. And this is my register.js, which contains the AJAX function I have used to register data. And this is register process PHP, which have the queries and validations I gave. Here you can see the validations. And this is my insert query to the database. And the register PHP is done. Now let's talk about the sign out button. I have used remove PHP to sign out an admin from the admin portal. Here in this remove PHP, I have deleted all the content from the session and destroyed it from the client, which means a browser. So if I sign out now, I have to sign in again to come across this index PHP, product PHP, or the register PHP. And now let's check out how this sign out work. So that's all for the product registration application. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.